abayimbi nenjagala okubuuza nti abayimbi omeka bagenda zifunako sofa bemwawandiise bemwaregistering bagenda okufuna kasente ako.
Kati, we have a database at least 3,200 artists so far who are registered and confirmed as members of our UMA. Bonna twabatadeyo. Kati, there's been categories ezibadde tricky kuba government you have to have a national ID to get any help from the government. So we've had some artists who don't have a national ID, so that had to be put in a different category. So and then we have artists whose names don't connect. Ntino erinye eriri ku kadi siri erimu neriri ku nini siri erimu neriri ku mobile money. So that is also a different category. Kati simanyi nti your ministry bwe libanga eronda muntu be n'abajjamu oba I don't know what they will do na ife kitwakoze twaba categorizing. Then of course number nene more than 1,500 who had everything right into ye amanya gakwatagana ne nina alina. So if any mistake comes from that, it's not going to be ours. Fe twawadde amanya gonna agali mu Goma. In fact tuna ne bamemba twakubidde nga tebali members of Goma. Twakiteeka twagezako kiranga n'oku to spread the news among artists. Noba nga toli member at this time we know that every artist ali will be. So bring your name, let's submit so that you get some money.
Okuwa muyimbi emitwalo 10 ku muyimbi ensaasaanya ye n'embeera ye nga bw'ogimanyi zirina kye zimwongerako.
Well, right now, changu nnyo kati nganze changu bwentula nyizo tula nengamba kino emitwalo 10 sijeetaaga. Sobola okulya amasapeeri mu abakamera okitegeera. Naye bwenzire waka mu embeera ya COVID nti sina stage gye ngendako, I'm not selling my music na buli kimu eje emitwalo 10 gina kye kigenda okunkolera. Not so many artists can come and admit to you that they need the 100,000. But so many artists will call Madam Fina Masinyazi namugamba kwa erinnya lyange making sure techi erinnya yange JDD. You'll be very surprised by artists abasaba akawunga. You know, in the beginning of the last year and of this year and last year, they are established artists. We were mentioned over Kabinga Yaku Simonaga Mwanezo Kino Kumiyazaka Ngenda Zeta Gazinete. So it's deep inside the artists wants their 100,000. Of course they want more. Artists deserve more. We have not been given any kind of money since the beginning of the lockdown. So of course we should have more. Nekana Katinia Kazinzi Sigenda Kagana, and I advise all artists to take it. Just take it. It's for free to inachozikolere. Deo Montagabe Kankoe Mtwaro Kumi.
Zitwale. So more clarification ku kiri ekibuzo kye nakubuuzizzaako nti bafulfige baba General Salem Sale balaga abajje bamonetizing babatunuulire balabe ba supervising eje mukolamu emirimu ate bakubira essimu okusinkana nobaga they have to write for you.
Well, two things. Salim Saleh has been sending us messages via mail from the beginning of this year to write name meetings in Salim Saleh, but every time it has been formal. Tina, where is an email to funye letter, something. It has been formal, it has always been paperwork. So this time, Bafina, kusasira ne full figure bafina ogamatino at 2 million. Logically, I thought, okay, the letter is going to come. Because the next thing is the letter is going to come that we've sent this person for this reason and this reason. So nzenalinda letter teyatuuka. So also where Twitter, nobody called me to invite me to a meeting. They got into the WhatsApp group eya Uma nebaga ntumanyi tubayise mukoleche muje kati Uma is not a person. You can't call Uma and say Uma jangu, you know. Uma is an association. You send a letter and say I have an intention to meet you because of these reasons, this is the agenda of the meeting, and then we come and what? And then we come and attend. So because tebatukiriza mitendera ja Uma, that is why we did not attend the meeting. It has nothing to do with me respecting them ng'abantu. Ntino a presidential advisor oba chichona chebali techina nenge no mu Uma we are different. Uchitegera bojamu Uma obojamu Caliber, you're registered as an artist. You're not registered as a presidential advisor. Smaya's whose wife or all that does not matter. Katimu Uma, you're an artist. That's what it says on your card. So so when you are my artist, I'm your leader, and that respect has to be given. Which they just didn't send the letter. That's
so
it.
Yes,
nali ninde baluwa ya gunde from OWC or at least from Saleh, because bulijjo bwe kibadde kikola. That's how it has been. Singa bulijjo si bwe kibadde twaligenze because nga tumanyidde system etambula bwetyo. Naye nalinde baluwa na leero tetuukanga.
So honorable Katoloma ayogedde ku case of indiscipline in the artist. Mugenda zikwasaganya mutya wadde nga muli brand nze muteekawo ne police committee. Mugenda zikwasaganya mutya nga tatwa abayimbi mwevuma nnyo oli omugabo kantu katono n'avuma n'oli n'avuma abalala bawemula n'okuwemula level discipline y'amaanyi ogenda girwanako mutya
kati ekyo ngenda kirekera policy board because that is their job to do naye ate nze kyemmanyi nti artists right now because enjala ebaluma and they're in a desperate situation they're going to respect where the money is okitegeera kati umba bweteeka something on the table abantu bagenda sirika bo bennyini they will discipline themselves because they need what Uma is going to give so kizibu nnyo ga ntino ngenda kugamba gundi sirika toddamu tuvuma tokola ki we can't do that because every artist ayina empire ye bonna banene buli omu ayina abantu ba leadinga so you can't tell them what to say naye ffe tetugenda okukola tugenda kweyongera okubalaga nti nno bye tukola mu byetaaga ate bajja kwehambulinga bokka
abayimbi bamaze emyaka ebiri tebapafominga kiki bayinza okukola okulaba nga beewola kasente akali mu ssako ya Uma bwe baba bayitaaza okwewola balina kukola kikuteya kiki balina oyitamu beewole kasente
okay so I'm only going to speak about the artists in Uma kubanga abenkulembera bentegeera kati mu Uma tulina sako abakulu ba sako bali Ruchi kuliko ne Hanson bali luno ye treasurer and then we have even Fina Mugerwa as well. Basatu they are the leaders of the SACCO. So right now the SACCO got 100 million from MSC as to supplement the SACCO. So I advise artists to read through what are the requirements of getting a loan and get a loan and start from there, start something.